In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a Facebook ads campaign. If you want your ads to start on a specific date, run during certain hours, or stop automatically after a set period, you can schedule everything directly inside Meta Ads Manager. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your business or ad account, then make sure you select the correct ad account before creating or editing your campaign. Next, click the Create button if you want to schedule a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective, such as traffic, leads, sales, engagement, or any other objective that matches your goal. After selecting the objective, click Continue. Now, give your campaign a clear name so you can recognize it later. You can name it based on the offer, audience, date, or campaign type. This makes it easier to manage when you have multiple campaigns running. After that, move to the ad set level. This is where you control the budget, audience, placements, optimization, and schedule for your ads. Look for the Budget and Schedule section. Inside Budget and Schedule, choose whether you want to use a daily budget or a lifetime budget. If you want more scheduling control, a lifetime budget is usually the better option because it allows you to choose a start date, end date, and sometimes specific days or hours for your ads to run. Next, set your campaign start date and start time. Choose the exact day and time you want your ads to begin delivering. This is useful if you're preparing a launch, promotion, event, sale, or campaign that needs to start at a specific moment. If you want the campaign to stop automatically, set an end date as well. Choose the final day and time when you want Meta to stop delivering your ads. This helps prevent your ads from running longer than planned and spending more than you intended. If you're using a lifetime budget, you may also see an option to run ads on a schedule. This lets you choose specific days and hours when your ads should be active. For example, you can run ads only during business hours, only on weekends, or only during the times when your audience is most likely to respond. After setting the schedule, continue building the rest of your ad set. Choose your audience, locations, age range, interests, placements, and optimization settings. Make sure everything matches the goal of your campaign. Now move to the ad level. This is where you create the actual ad people will see. Select your Facebook page and Instagram account, upload your image or video, write your primary text, add a headline, choose a call to action button, and add your destination link if needed. Before publishing, review the full campaign carefully. Check the objective, budget, start date, end date, audience, placements, creative, copy, and link. Make sure the schedule is correct, especially if your campaign is connected to a specific promotion or deadline. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Meta will review your ad, and once it is approved, the campaign will start automatically at the scheduled time you selected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule a Facebook ads campaign. The main steps are simple. Create your campaign, go to the ad set level, open Budget and Schedule, set your start and end date, choose your audience and add creative, then publish the campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Facebook ads, Meta ads, and digital marketing tutorials.